G'day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking this little link and coming to watch me react to stuff on the internet. Now, scrolling through the Discord and seeing some of your recommendations. And a legend by the name of Chobo said, since you liked Los Colorados covering Rammstein, can I recommend Thunderstruck, AC/DC covered by Steven Seagals, or Steven Seagals. I don't know how to say it properly. If you guys can correct me in the comments, that'd be fantastic. I'm just bloody winging it out here. So I thought, all right, Chobo. So I clicked this link, I clicked record, and we're here right now. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready. I'm about to check out Thunderstruck by Steve and Seagals live. Let's go. It's out on the farm. Has he got a cardo as well? Oh no, it's not a cardo. All right.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track. Moved around.
I genuinely like this better than the original.
My mind raced, and I thought, what could I do?
He's got a good voice.
And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck.
The fact that it's just recorded on a farm and it sounds that good.
We hit the town. Went to the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, yeah, they blew our minds. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too
This makes me want to go harvest some crops so badly.
Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck.
But seriously, these dudes are so talented. He's annihilating that banjo, dude.
I was shaking at the knees.
He's so stoned. The giddy up on the spoons is ultra.
You've been thunderstruck. 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 Thunderstruck.
I can't believe AC/DC covered this band, seriously.
Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Oh, thunderstruck. 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 You've been thunderstruck.
Hell yeah. That is so sick. Playing the anvil as well. The best. Thunderstruck by Steven Seagals or Steven Seagals live. I'm not going to lie to you. I like that better than the original. I really do. That That had so much energy, and you can see how stoked they were making that song. They're just out there on the bloody farm. They're not in a studio, and it sounds that good. 11 out of 10, man. Seriously, these blokes are so talented. What should I check out next for them? Do you have any recommendations? Drop it in the comments below. And a massive shout out to Chobo, man. Thank you so much for recommending this bad boy. And guys, if you want to do the same, the link to the Discord is in the bloody description down there somewhere. You can click it and join the Discord. It's full of bloody legends, and you're welcome to join. Also, while you're in the description section, check the link to this song so you can share it around, like and comment on it. Do whatever you got to do. Just show this band some love. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting out here. Thank you very much for coming and hanging out with me on this reaction. I do appreciate it. There are new videos on this channel every day at 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, so you're more than welcome to come and hang out with me again. But until that time, please keep it smiling. I'll take it easy, and if it's easy, take it hard.